Okay, for this stretch, you want to get as close as you can to the wall. Get your bum touching the wall, and your lower back is going to be flat against the ground. And feet are up, and hopefully the heels are on the wall. And then eventually, what you're going to want to do is rotate your toes inwards without moving the feet too much. So the heels are planted against the wall, butt is against the wall, lower back is against the wall. Rotate those toes inwards. Now you're going to keep asking yourself the whole time, can I point my toes in a little bit harder? Can I get my back a little bit flatter? Can I push my heels a little bit more towards the ceiling? And then the next part is you're going to slowly have your hands straight out and you're reaching to the ceiling. At the same point, I'm thinking chin down, looking at the ceiling. So right now I'm reaching away from me. I'm spreading my fingers as far as I can apart, bending at the wrist and spreading my fingers even more. Right now, I'm trying to push the other wall far away from me. I'm trying to imagine that I'm pushing and reaching the wall. So I'm stretching as far as I can while still keeping the lower back tight against the ground. I'm asking myself, can I rotate my toes in a little bit more? Can I press my lower back tight into the mat? Can I spread my fingers a little bit more? Keep repeating these questions to yourself, set a timer, and the goal to try to get to at least 90 seconds. Now, when you're coming out of this stretch, you want to come out extremely slowly. So I usually come out hands first, and then from there, if you choose to, you can even rest like this for a minute, 2 minutes, maybe take a 5-minute nap. Afterwards, you're going to slowly unwind your feet and then just kind of slowly eventually slide the body to the side and then out